Good morning, student. Today in class 9 we are going to start new chapter, that is quadrilateral. So what do you mean by quadrilateral? Quadrilateral, that is the regular figure or figure which have four sides, that is four sides A, B, B, C, C, B and D. Four angles, that is angle A, B, C and D, and four vertices A, B, C and D. So that is a quadrilateral having has four sides, four angles and four vertices. Now today we are going to deal with the types of quadrilaterals. That is, we have studied in the previous classes about the trapezium, parallelograms, rectangle, rhombus and the square. So today we are going to deal with the these figures and we will see the difference between these figures. So first of all, trapezium. A trapezium is a quadrilateral in which there is a one pair of opposite sides are parallel. Other sides are not parallel. So this is a trapezium. But in parallelogram, the two pair of opposite sides are parallel. That is PQ is parallel to RS and QS is parallel to PR. So what is the difference between a parallelogram and trapeziums? So a parallelogram can be a trapezium, but a trapezium cannot be a parallelogram. So we will see the angles of the parallelograms and here it is rectangle. So we have got two set squares, that is, you can see here two set squares are there. That is the one set square in which the angle is 90 degree and 60 degree and 30 degree. And the second is set square is, that is the one angle is 90 degree, 45 degree and 45 degree. So we have got two type of set square in our instrument box. On the basis of these two set square, we are going to deal with these figures. So what do you mean by parallelogram? A parallelogram having, that is the two sides, the two pair of opposite sides are parallel. So that, as you can see here, that is this is a parallelogram. I have constructed with the help of the two set square. That is the set square. That is the angle having 90 degree, 60 degree and 30 degree. So these two sides are parallel, as you can see. And what is the angle? This angle is 60 degree and this angle is also 60 degree. And what is the angle? That is 90 plus 30, that is 120 degree and 120 degree. So sum of all the angle of a quadrilateral is 360 degree, and opposite angle of a parallelograms are equal. As you can see, that is, this one is 60 degree, so this one is also 60 degree. 90 plus 30, that is 120 degree. So 90 plus 30, 120 degree. So a parallelogram is the figure in which there are two pair of opposite sides are parallel and they are also equal. So a parallelogram cannot be that is, a parallelogram can be trapezium, but a trapezium cannot be a parallelogram. Now what do you mean by rectangle? So rectangle is a figure in which there are two opposite sides are parallel as well as they are equal. So a rectangle can be a parallelogram. As in this parallelogram there are two sides are parallel and equal. So a rectangle can be a parallelogram, but a parallelogram cannot be a rectangle because a rectangle have 90 degree angles. That is all angles are equal and it is 90 degree. So how will we make that a rectangle? So rectangle can be made, that is by set square. As you can see here, this is a rectangle. As you can see, this is a rectangle in which all angles are equal. That is 90 degree, 90 degree. This one is 60 degree and this one is 30 degree. So 90 degree, and this one is also a 90 degree. By help of set square, we have constructed a rectangle in which all angles are equal and opposite angles are also equal. So this is a set square. So a rectangle can be a parallelogram, but a parallelogram cannot be a rectangle. Now here is the rhombus. Rhombus, all sides are equal. As you can see, all sides are equal. So and parallel. This side is also parallel to this side. So this side is also parallel to this side. So we can say that, so a rhombus can be a parallelogram where the opposite pair of sides are parallel. Here it is square. As you can see, it is a square. A square can be a rhombus because all sides are equal and all angles are 90 degree. So a rhombus cannot be a square. But a square can be a rhombus, a square can be a rectangle, a square can be a parallelogram, and a square can be a trapezium. But a trapezium cannot be a parallelogram. A parallelogram cannot be a rectangle, and a rectangle cannot be a square, or a rectangle cannot be a rhombus. So there is a difference between this figure. With the help of set square, we can also construct a square. That is, you can see here, that is, I have got two set square of 45 degree, 45 degree and 90 degree. So with the help of set square, we can construct a square also. That is, this is a square. So a square having all sides are equal, and with each opposite angles are equal, that is 90 degree, 90 degree. This one is 45, this one is 45, so 90 degree, and this one is 45, and this one is also 45, so 90 degree. So opposite angles are equal, and opposite sides are also equal, and all sides are of a square are equal. So this is a figure of a square. So there is a difference between all these type of the figures. So what are the difference we have studied today? So today class is over. Thank you.